Hello and welcome back to Retro Phone Show, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at the DAPENG T2000. So what are we waiting for? Here we go! Here we have the DAPENG T2000. Now I'm not exactly sure when this was released, but I think it was roughly around about 2008, 2009. But like I said, I'm not exactly sure. Anyway, let's have a look at the box. Let's have a look inside the box first. What we have, obviously the phone and the rest of it's there on the table. So let's have a look what we got left here. It's a spare battery. There, and we just have the charging cable. So that's that there, and the tray there, the phone goes on. Just have a look at the box itself a minute. We can always pause it if we need to see more. It has got the old analog TV on this phone, but here in the UK we no longer support the analog TV. It's just digital, so that's no good now here, but the phone itself works. Yeah, we can read that. Like I said, you can pause it. See, it's a dual SIM card and blah 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 blah. High definition TV and so on and so on. Yeah, if you want to pause that, you can pause it. Right, this is our look at the phone. This is the case and keyboard. Now this case is slightly damaged, but I will show you in a minute what I mean. You know, that right in there as well. If you want to read it, you're more than welcome. This little toggle here, opening them up. There you have the screen. I'll take him out of the here in a bit. Right, just powering him on. Or what I mean about the screen, look, I've had to put some sellotape on here because the sides of it have cracked off. But that's just this actual case, but the phone is perfect. Just power this baby on then. And you can see the keyboard now is lit up, as you can see there. That's to say that there's power going into the keyboard. What have I done? Oh, our stylus is still in the box as well, so let me get that out in a minute. Just get the stylus out. It does supposed to go inside the phone, but I forgot to put it in there. I will be putting it in now in a minute after the video. Right. So now let's have a look at all the menu stuff we have. There we are. There's the TV there, look, as you can see. TV, you have a couple of different apps here. You have games, radio, and whatever else you have there, look. I have got a Vodafone SIM card in here. That's all I've been running. It is unlocked. Apparently these are quite rare now, but I had this one cheap because the case was damaged. Is that up to the profiles then? General options. Come on. Yeah. Customize. Ringtones. Okay. We just tap on there. Right, so if we start from number 1 then, turn this over. If we start from number 1 then, a minute. Yeah. We use the keyboard to show you the ringtones. Don't know what I want to say. These must be just empty ones. They're just empty ones now. Yeah, start from the beginning. Yeah, right, so there's go back. Back, yeah. Right, what I'll do now, I'll take it out of the case and show you it, what it's like. Let's take the sellotape off. The pity is a bit damaged like that, but never mind, we can still see it working. You know, it's just a bit of the case. That's inside the case, look. And the bits are cracked off there. That's how I put the sellotape on there on that side. See, the case. Put him to one side a minute. Right then, here's the phone. Here's the connectors, what goes on the actual keyboard. Back of the phone, if you want to have a look at that. And it has got an aerial here, like I said, for the TV, but it won't work over here because we don't have the analog. It pulls right the way out, good way, but I'm not going to bother in case it snaps. Try the radio. Oh, nothing there. I've got a radio on here somewhere. So I've seen it. It's a proper one. Just a normal radio on here somewhere. But I'm not sure where it is now. Oop, what happened there? Don't know what's happened there. Right, go back. Thank you. Right, let's have a look what we got here. I've seen the radio somewhere. I can't remember where I've seen it. Radio. There we are.
I was told only more in
the... Radio works. You don't need to put the earphones in. They just work on their own. Yeah, and that's the other stuff for it. Loads of games and whatnot on there as well, which I'm not going to go into at the moment because maybe do another video on the games on it. Anyway, guys, that was the DAPENG T2000, and it's not very many of these around. I don't believe. I do believe there's not many of these around. So, yep. Anyway, thank you for watching as always, and I'll be back pretty soon with another video. But until then, thank you very much, and bye.